Hey, what's up everybody? Coming to you here with my man Dylan. I'm Shannon King, National Artist for KMS. We have our STYLECOLOR Iced Concrete. The cool thing about this, I was just telling Dylan that we can actually change his hair color and then shampoo it out. He was like, no way. So we're gonna do this right now. We're gonna shake this really well so you can hear the marble and rattles inside of it, right? Then, just to make sure we hit the ends of his hair, I'm gonna take my fingers, slide them basically on the inside, more at the base like this. Almost like you would use like spray paint. We're just gonna hit the tips of his hair like so. When he wants to change it, all we have to do is shampoo, maybe once or twice, and it's out of there. But as you can see, really fast, look, we've changed his hair color in an instant, just like that. With your fingers or your hands down the inside, it gives you much more of a rooted look, rooted feel, and you just get the tone and the color right on the top as you want. That's it, and that's our STYLECOLOR by KMS, and this is the Iced Concrete.